Yeah, do it like that. Actually, it's kind of funny.
Man.
Look at, oh my god.
Go.
No. Oh shit, no.
Yeah.
I think I broke my shit.
Yeah, okay.
What the fuck? Come on, grab me again.
Oh, yeah, shit.
No, just have a, just hit me. Stop dishing.
Oh yeah, shit, man.
Just do it right.
Man.
Do it right. Come on, it's recording.
Fucking smell it like.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Do it. What did Jack Bagani do?
He's gonna walk you. What did you say?
Oh my god, he's gonna fuck me onto the ground.
No, you didn't say on the ground. You said he's gonna
Please.
fuck me.
No, I said
Yeah, he's gonna fuck you on the place.
onto the place. He actually fucked him on me. Go to punch me actually, I'll have it. No, let's see. You go to punch me in the way. Your hand goes.
Yeah.
No, fuck. Dude.
It's recording.
Just like go to punch me, right? Go to punch me.
And then, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll fall. Shit, recording.
No, go to punch me and then I'll like kick you.
Yeah.
Alright, do it, like, hold me down.
Yeah. Ah, so cold.
Fuck, you fucked up. You did.
Oh.
Do you know what? I'm sorry. I wasn't even fucking ready. Didn't even check the sheet.
Oh yeah, what finger is that I'm just on?
Ah, Jesus! You made the fuck kick the thing!
You know, it's meant to be the proper fight. Fish, that was close.
Fuck, look! Drink!
No, we need to do that again. Shut up, you gay cunt. Let me do that. That looks like sex position, boys. Jesus. Fucking.
Fuck.
Do you want to put that as a blooper?
Sure.
I'm not supposed to throw off shit.
Lego! Fail! Adam's in the fucking shop!
He's just being a dog.
Yeah, you know what? What are you doing?
What, do I slap you again or?
No, you.